Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a recap of how I took this pound USD trade this morning, just pre-New York around 5 o'clock Eastern time. So I'm just going to break it down to you guys and show you guys why I took this trade. So first is, when you look at the 4-hour time frame here, we can see the market is dropping, creating lower highs, lower lows. We can see prices, giving us a change of character over here. And after that, just price started just going down, creating lower highs, lower lows. And this is a signal of a bearish momentum, okay? So we can see that basically we have an identification of what's going on here. We can also see a liquidity that's sitting over here because after the break of this structure, the market left us a clean demand zone where now we can see there's also a lot of imbalance going on between here and there, okay? A little bit of refill, but this area is not filled up yet. So we also have this liquidity that's sitting here. So people started buying here. So there are a lot of stop losses sitting over there before we hit this demand zone. So this has been taken out. And then what I did was once I identified all this stuff on the 4-hour time frame, I went all the way down to the 1-hour time frame. So when I went to the 1-hour time frame, I can see that the price also aligning with the higher time frame price direction, which is the lower high, lower low downtrend. You can see the price creating lower high, lower low, breaking the structures to the downside. Okay, structure broken here, another structure is broken, another structure is broken here, and now we have another break of a structure right there. All right, once I get this break of a structure right here, because this is a valid pullback after the break of this structure, we can see that price started dropping to the downside. All right, now I went to the 15-minute time frame. When you go to the 15-minute time frame, I kind of waited for the Asia session to play out. So I used this Asia kill zone indicator. So now I plotted on my chart. I can see that this is the Asia high and this is the Asia low. Price started, just going sideways over here, equilibrium, and then took out this entire structure of liquidity. And the ones that price took out this liquidity, there was this area of wick. When you see this wick here, it's not mitigated. Mitigation means when the price leaves an area, it leaves an imbalance. So you can see there was buyers in this market. They opened the price. When they opened this price of this candle, sellers get into the market and they started pushing the price to the downside, breaking this structure, causing some type of supply sitting over here. So now when the price took out Asia session high around pre-New York, around 5 a.m., 5:30 a.m. in the morning, price went back to tap on this area of supply, taking out all this liquidity that's sitting over here, including the Asia session high. So now what I did was I kind of went down to the lower time frame, like the 5-minute time frame. And then once you go to the 5-minute time frame, you can see that price was creating higher highs, higher lows, okay? High, low, high, high, breaking this structure to the downside. And then here's where I executed my trade there, targeting the 4-hour higher time frame demand zone, which is right here. Let me clear this up quickly. So you can see that this is where I targeted for my take profit, and it's almost about to hit the take profit, okay? Just waiting for that, If something happens over here, if I see some type of change of character or some type of rejection, I'm going to take my profit and walk away because almost at the end of the day, it's almost 11:52, it's about 12:52 p.m. at New York session. So I might end up taking my profit if it doesn't go all the way down, but I can see that the price is already going closer to my profit zone. Well, before I end this video, I'm going to give you guys 5 key points that will probably make you a better trader. But first, trading is not about winning every single day. Even the professionals lose sometimes. It happens, okay? But basically, if you follow these 5 key points, you might become a better trader. So the first one is plan ahead, all right? All right. What I mean by that is by developing a trading plan that includes your goals, risk tolerance, and strategies, and stick to your plan to avoid impulsive decisions. Okay. So the second one is manage risk. You got to learn how to manage your risk. All right. Trading is all about managing your risk and protecting your capital. Okay. By any means, use a proper risk management techniques like setting up your stop loss. A lot of people, what they do is they use something called mental stop loss. You never do that. It doesn't matter if you're scalping. It doesn't matter if you're swing trading or day trading. Always use a proper risk management that you already pre-planned. Okay, this includes the percentage that you're going to be losing on that you're willing to lose on each trade. Okay, so the third point is learn and focus. Okay, master one trading strategy that works. Okay, that aligns with your trading style and practice to gain experience Okay, that, and stick with that trading strategy. Stick with it. Okay, with that trading strategy, this includes, picking one pair, one session. Okay, and then sticking with that. All right. Number 4 is you need to learn how to control your emotions. All right, your emotions, you can never get rid of them. It's there for a reason. God gave it to you for a reason. Let's say if you're on top of a building and you want to jump, your mind will tell you do not jump, because if you jump, you're gonna die. Let's say if you want to run into a fire, your emotions will tell you do not run into the fire because you're gonna burn. All right, so your emotions is God given and it's there to protect you, but you need to learn how to control your emotions by any means. Emotions can lead a poor decisions. If you don't know how to control your emotions, it can lead you to making poor decisions. Okay, so stay disciplined. Avoid overtrading and don't chase losses. Okay, when you lose, don't overthink. It's all good. Okay, if you see that you're losing and your emotions are rising, get out of the computer, go somewhere, exercise, do something, and then come back later on when you're ready to trade again. Okay, so number 5 is continue learning. Okay, forex trading always involves risk, so always seek to improve your knowledge. The market changes sometimes, things change sometimes because of, the economy, because of what's going on, because of, the era that we're in, or whatever it is that's happening around the markets. There's always change in the market. So try to adopt and try to adjust your strategy according to those changes. Okay. So anyways, guys, this is your brother Jamal. Peace and love.